When Dover Motion engages with a client, we take a very collaborative approach where our engineers and the engineers at the customer side really work very closely hand in hand.
Some of the biggest challenges we were facing when we were developing the ExaView R200 instrument were around motion control. We're looking at particles that are 50 to 200 nanometers. We have very high requirements for our motion control, so we needed a stage that was extremely precise, extremely reliable, had very good holding stability. And we found that the stages from Dover Motion provided all of those needs that we had.
What we both agreed on was that our family of SmartStage products, our DOF5 and our SmartStage XY product, would really enable them to get better performance, higher throughput, as they were trying to resolve smaller and smaller features.
Some of the challenges that we had throughout our development process was the space constraint. That's the best part about using DOF5 and the SmartStage XY is that they don't have external controllers, and instead of having multiple cables coming out from the stages, we just have one single cable coming.
The DOF5 stage gives us extreme precision. It has a pre-mounted and centered objective mount, so it reduces the steps that we have to take to actually integrate it into our system.
The first thing that comes to my mind when I hear about Dover Motion is excellent customer support and reliable products.